Happy Memorial Day, everyone. Whoa. We have the Weasel Engine here. Studebaker Champion 170. I have to remove the cylinder head and the oil pan and get this hard line off of here because it's going into the engine rebuilder's shop tomorrow to be overhauled. October last year, and I finally got the phone call Friday. Got an opening, bring it in. So I won't be doing much talking because of my pneumatic ratchet and the air compressor. Probably gonna have to replace all of these head bolts because they are at least from 1963. Sorry, 62. Right back. Okay, head bolts are out. Cylinder head gonna come off that easily. probably would have just run the engine, except for the fact that number 5 was stuck. And you can see all of the pitting here. The piston is stamped plus 040, which coincides with the rebuild tag here from Norway, plus 040, and the crank is 10 under. So we have quite a bit of material left, both on the top end and the bottom end, to do what we need to do to make this engine run again. Okay, I'm going to turn it over and get the oil pan off. Be right back. Let's take a quick look at something. I removed the timing gear cover, and of course the crank gear is steel, and oh, I thought that the cam gear was steel. That's phenolic. That thing looks like it barely has any wear on it at all. Look at that. Anyway, just thought that would be interesting. Let's get a good chuckle of me struggling to get this engine turned over. Oh, well, that went super easy all by itself. Those look like 9/16 head bolts. They are. Dough. Right in the dirt. All right, that's that side. I'm not going to be able to record getting the other side. So you'll have to take my word for it. Okay. There it is. That must be an oil return hose. And I guess I'll have to take the dipstick and the pickup tube off. Cam lobe doesn't look too bad for the cam lobes. So there's the dipstick out. Oil pickup tube off. Does have a gasket under there. Interesting. This journal on number 5, let's see, can we see it? Maybe. Get you closer. This journal on number 5 doesn't look too bad. They may be able just to go with a quick polish. Don't know. I'm not an engine builder. Right. Move the Weasel forward. Move the gantry crane to the west. Got her suspended. And the weight has been taken up by the chainfall hoist. All I have to do is just get the Silverado underneath it and put it in the bed. Okay. Man. Getting the engine stand out of the way so I can get over there. just so happens I have some 2x4s. Noisy. Yeah, let me see if I can give this a little bit of a shove forward. And that's it. Cylinder head, engine, as much as I could take off of it. I can't wait to hear this thing run. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching my video.